Hey guys, welcome back. Since I've also seen the thumbnail, it's going to be a blue theme video. So I have done the Tiranga colors, that is saffron, white and green. Now I've chosen primary colors, that is red, yellow and blue. And the main reason why I'm choosing themes is to try something different. And just as I wake up, I first see this globe that is in my room. But whenever I see this, I feel blue. That's because there's so much to travel in India, but I couldn't go anywhere. That's because it's the time to focus on studies, and also according to situation, we have to act upon. Now it's the time to start our day with our regular parampara, that is having green tea. So I don't have any other choice because the blue wala cup nahi hai, so I use glass this time. And then it's the time for a quick transition, and here's my outfit of the day. And now it's the time for breakfast. So for breakfast, I'm having blueberry oats. And whenever I try to have these oats, I'm so inconsistent. What I mean to say is having oats is like once in a blue moon for me. पैकेट खरीद के घर में रखती हूँ, बट आई नेवर ओपन इट आफ्टर वन सिंगल डे. नेक्स्ट डे जो मम्मी बनाती है वही खा लेती हूँ, बट दिस टाइम आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. द कलर टर्न आउट टू बी लाइट पिंक. आई थॉट इट वुड बी इन लाइट ब्लू बिकॉज ऑफ द बेरीज प्रेजेंट इन इट, बट इट्स ओके. लाइट पिंक, but taste was awesome. The taste is what that matters. It's the time to serve it in a bowl and have it. And मुझे बताना कि आपके साथ भी ऐसा ही होगा कि oats खरीदते हो but खाते नहीं हो. It happens so many times for me. Now it's not just done by अभी YouTuber होने के कारण I have to give some poses for thumbnails, and that's the most chaotic thing ever. That's because I have to take the screenshots from the video, and that's so irritating because कुछ photos अच्छे आते हैं, कुछ नहीं आते हैं. Thumbnail making is a big process. I got so heavy with oats that I couldn't eat that. And now, the most interesting part of my day, which I really wanted to talk with you guys since a long time, but I couldn't shoot the video. Now, since I am driving perfectly and well, I am sharing the video with you guys. So, the first 2 to 3 days was so easy because it was all about steering. And the next part was about the brake and the clutch, accelerator. So it took some time for me there, and here is the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. We had the match of SRH versus GT, but the most absolute impact player, that is the rain, showed its great impact because the match got cancelled and SRH qualified to playoffs. The fun fact here is stadium is very close to my house, and I didn't go at all, but next time pakka jaungi. Then I came to Lenskart because I had a problem with my glasses, so I got that clear. And now I reached home and it's the time to start studies because it's already too late. मुझे driving school से आते आते 11 या 11:30 हो जाता है. But I need energy right now. I need some electrolytes in my body. The sun is blazing so hot outside. And you know what my brother did? He did the most dumbest thing ever. He put this drink in the deep freezer and I had to wait to drink it. And you know how he covered his mistake? He said, Ki Didi, I just wanted you to remind about the anomalous behavior of water, which you studied in 11th grade. And you all remember that, right? Ki water is the only substance that increases its volume when frozen. It expands instead of contracting when the temperature goes from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, and therefore it becomes less dense. And now it's the time to start our padai. I'm not doing JEE today. That's because I want to give it a 1-day break. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं पढ़ाई को स्किप करूंगी. आई एम हियर डूइंग द स्कूल स्टफ. स्कूल का वर्क मैं कर रही हूँ. आई एम हियर डूइंग द चैप्टर सर्कल्स एंड इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम सिंस वी हैड इंटरेक्शन. सो डू लेट मी नो कि आपकी पढ़ाई कैसे चल रही है. एंड नाउ एक्चुअली ब्लू आइटम से कुछ फूड नहीं बनता, एंड हेंस वी ट्राइड मेकिंग बबल्स. व्हाट बबल्स? हाँ बबल्स ही भाई. बट वी हैड टू डू दैट इन 2 attempts. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में वी एडेड so many ingredients, but it didn't turn out. But we got it in the second attempt. So what we actually realized is ki if you don't get it the first time, you will for sure get it the second time. That is where there is a will, there is a way. And the bubbles came out so big and good. Now you might think कि ये क्या बच्ची की तरह खेल रही है. Guys, even if we grow older, the child in us should never die. And also, what is the concept that comes in our mind कि why only bubbles are made with soap and not with normal water? I have the answer for that. It's because the surface tension of the soapy water is much lower than that of the pure water. And now we have a tongue twister here, but before that, let us have our lunch because ये सब कुछ ट्राई करने के बाद मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है. Since it's a blue theme, I had the blue lace packet वाले chips with my lunch, and Billy blows big blue bubbles. Billy blows big blue bubbles. Billy blows big blue bubbles. Billy blow big blue bubbles. Guys, chill. It's just the tongue twister that I just talked about. You also have to try this, and tongue twister बोल के मेरा ही tongue twist हो गया, but tongue twisters are so good actually because they help to stretch and strengthen the muscles which we use to speak, and also they help in improving the memory and reading, and it's good for those who have a trouble in pronouncing the words correctly. And sham ko I had Oreo with milk. It's the best combination. That's a kind of junk food only. And then I had to eat this protein bar because it's also blue in color. Order करी थी तो खाना पड़ेगा. It's a blueberry वाला protein bar, and when I tasted it, it didn't feel so good. मतलब you know what roams in my mind whenever I have healthy food? Bhai ये healthy food इतना बुरा क्यों होता है? Junk food is so tasty. It's because we are habitual to junk food because it has artificial flavors and preservatives in it. But healthy food is the real food, and it's much tastier than the junk food. So I actually went out to temple with my family, and after coming back, I had this blueberry yogurt. It was all frozen because this was also kept in deep freezer. So one thing I understood is I'll never say my brother to do things. I'll do it by my own. And it's the time to go to bed and make sure that your dreams are so big that they can't get into the dream catcher. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you all again. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Bye bye.